In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from iPhone 12 to iPhone 16. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an old iPhone and a new one, and you would like to make sure that your contacts get transferred over correctly, then follow the steps in this video. This method is extremely convenient, and all that you need is an iCloud account properly set up. You will have to use the same iCloud account on both devices, and the contacts will be synchronized automatically. So to set all of this up, first on the old iPhone, so in this video I'm using the iPhone 12 as an example, open the settings and then tap on your name over here at the top. This is going to be your Apple account or Apple ID. So tap on your ID to see more settings and then go into the iCloud settings. Inside of iCloud, you can see the current status of your storage, but most importantly, you can choose to see what data is saved into iCloud. And if you choose this option, you can enable or disable the synchronization of contacts. So all that you have to do is make sure that your contacts are being backed up into the iCloud. With this option enabled for contacts, you can enable others as well, but since the focus of this video is contacts, I'm only going to be talking about this one in particular. After you enable contacts on the old phone, perform a backup right before moving. This way you are going to ensure that you are going to transfer the most up-to-date information. So tap on iCloud Backup and then initiate the backup here. As soon as you initiate the backup on the old phone, including your contacts, after you enable it here, go into the new phone. So now on the iPhone 16, all that you have to do is access the settings and sign into the same account that you had on your iPhone 12. This will synchronize all of the details about your accounts and applications, including the contacts. So all that you have to do is on the iPhone 16, go into the settings, sign into the same Apple ID, and if you want to double check that the contacts are indeed being synchronized, you can tap on the iCloud options and go to Save to iClouds to ensure that this option is ticked on. With contacts enabled on the new phone, as soon as you sign into iCloud, connect to a Wi-Fi network, and open the Contacts app, they are going to appear and synchronize automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer contacts from iPhone 12 to iPhone 16. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.